Welcome to the Woyu channel. What is a miner?
Isn't Bitcoin a cryptocurrency?
Why does it need to be mined?
Is it really dug out from the ground? I believe many people learned about mining because they came to trade Bitcoin on exchanges. They don't quite understand where Bitcoin actually comes from. So, this episode will reveal it for you. Why are they called miners? This is a very vivid and interesting analogy. Miners in the real world need to expend electricity, time, and machinery to extract the limited gold from underground. Miners in the crypto world also need to expend electricity, time, and machinery to mine the total supply of 21 million bitcoins. So, the name miner illustrates a process of acquiring scarce assets by investing resources. It's just that one involves mining gold in the real world, and the other involves mining gold in the digital world. Today, let's explain what a crypto miner actually is. Cryptocurrency is like a massive, decentralized public ledger. This ledger records the details of every single transaction. Miners are the ones who perform the bookkeeping. They are collectively responsible for the security of this public ledger. It is the foundation of the entire cryptocurrency. In other words, miners are the security guards and producers of the entire cryptocurrency. Miners have three main tasks. First, package transactions. Collect all the recent transaction information from the network and package them into a bundle. This bundle is what we commonly call a block. Then, an old block is linked to a previous new block. And when they are connected, it becomes what we call the blockchain. Second, perform massive calculations. Provide powerful computing power to solve a super complex mathematical problem. The human brain is almost incapable of performing the correct calculations. It can only be calculated by super powerful computers. This type of computer is what we commonly call a mining rig. Third, confirm and record. Whoever calculates the correct answer to this math problem first can add this new block to the public ledger. At the same time, you also receive the block reward. This block reward is your income as a miner. To summarize, the essence of a miner is to be the foundational worker maintaining the security and stable operation of the entire blockchain network. Where does a miner's income come from? This is the part everyone cares about most. Miners spend money on electricity and machines to solve math problems. They can obtain block rewards and transaction fees. Two parts of income. The block reward is the major part. You can understand it as Bitcoin directly paying you a salary. When a miner successfully mines a new block, using Bitcoin as an example, Bitcoin has corresponding reward-having cycles. According to the current Bitcoin cycle, when you successfully record a new block, the system will pay you a reward of 3.125 Bitcoins. Transaction fees can be understood as tips. When you need to initiate a transfer, you can choose to pay a small fee to incentivize miners to process your transaction earlier, just like express delivery. If you pay a tip, they will prioritize delivering your package. Miners are the infrastructure builders of the crypto world. They use their computing power to collectively maintain Bitcoin's network security and bookkeeping, and thus receive newly generated Bitcoin and fees as remuneration for their work. If you still have any questions, feel free to leave a comment below. If you found the content helpful, please give it a thumbs up and ring that subscribe so you won't miss every episode's valuable content.